Bay leaf tea. What is it for? Benefits and how to prepare it. Bay leaves are a symbol of victory. In Greek mythology, the plant was used to symbolize achievements in the face of difficulties. It is no wonder that the symbol is present on Olympics medals. In the world of teas, the plant is also popular due to its supposed medicinal properties, which still lack more robust scientific evidence. But if you still have doubts about how to add bay leaf tea to your routine, here we tell you everything you need to know about the drink. See below. Under the scientific name, Laurus nobilis, bay leaves are native to the Mediterranean region. The plant can be grown indoors as small shrubs or in the ground, where they can grow and form a large canopy. Bay leaves are traditionally added to cooking as dried or fresh leaves, in addition to their flavors. Advocates of the leaves claim that they contain medicinal properties and are also rich in essential oils. These oils can have several properties, including antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Look at how many benefits there are of bay leaf tea. Facilitates fat digestion and reduces gas if food doesn't sit well. Bay leaves can help with digestion and alleviate discomfort. The plant contains tannins, polyphenols, that protect the digestive system and is therefore popularly known for facilitating fat digestion. Therefore, it also helps remove excess fat from the blood. In an analysis published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition in the United States, participants who ingested 1 to 3 grams of bay leaves daily for a month showed a drop in bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Finally, drinking a cup of bay leaves tea can reduce gas, helps control type 2 diabetes. Bay laurel tea can also be an ally for people with type 2 diabetes, as it improves insulin function in the body, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Regular consumption can help to better control this condition. Improves cognitive performance. Because it has antioxidant properties, bay leaf tea can improve cognitive function. These effects can include a more alert mind, better concentration, and improved memory. Reduces anxiety and tension due to linalool, an anxiolytic compound present in bay leaves. Tea made from the plant helps reduce anxiety and tension. Therefore, drinking the drink can promote a state of relaxation and tranquility. Prevents the effects of aging. The antioxidants present in bay leaf tea help fight free radicals, preventing premature aging of the skin and body. Regularly consuming bay leaf tea can contribute to a younger and healthier appearance. Relieves pain due to the presence of eugenol, a powerful natural antioxidant. Bay leaf tea has anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it effective in relieving pain, such as headaches, muscle pain, and even rheumatic conditions. Thus, consuming bay leaf tea can be a natural option for relieving the discomfort caused by these conditions. Antifungal and antimicrobial bay tea has antifungal and antimicrobial properties that make it effective in fighting intestinal, urinary, and skin infections. Repellent action. Addition to its health benefits, bay leaf tea can also be used as a natural insect repellent. Its essential oils emit an aroma that repels unwanted insects, including weevils, which are known to damage stored food. Therefore, placing bay leaves in pantries and food cabinets can help protect your food supplies from unwanted infestations. When and how to consume bay leaf tea. Bay leaf tea, prepared from the dried leaves of the herb, can be consumed 2 to 3 times a day. To store it, it is best to use glass, thermos, or even stainless steel bottles. Plastic or aluminum should not be used. Even with so many benefits, consuming bay leaves directly is not recommended. This is because the leaves are resistant and make chewing and swallowing a difficult task. It is important to consider that pure leaves can increase the risk of choking or getting stuck in the digestive system. On the other hand, one of the best-known ways to use bay leaves is by adding them to the preparation of beans. Together with the beans, the leaves, used as a condiment, release aromatic flavors and also enhance other seasonings added, such as onion and garlic. Another traditional way to enjoy the benefits is through teas. Cautions when drinking bay leaf tea. You should be careful when drinking bay leaf tea. This is because in large quantities, the drink can cause drowsiness, headaches, and diarrhea. Therefore, avoid drinking more than 3 cups a day. Who should not drink bay leaf tea? Although it is a natural drink, the tea is contraindicated for pregnant women, lactating women, women who breastfeed, and children under 12 years old. To date, there are no studies that guarantee the effectiveness and safety of the tea for these groups.